In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change Genos color in the strongest battlegrounds. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, Genos has a lot of abilities with cool effects. You might be curious if it is possible for you to change the color of these moves. And while there is a method that allows you to do this, you won't be able to do it inside of the game. So, there are a lot of experiences like the strongest battleground that allow you to purchase a specific game pass or access customization options and change it from here. But in strongest battlegrounds, if you go over to the settings and you browse through everything here, you won't be able to find anything related to changing the color. You have some miscellaneous stuff, you have some server options, but besides this, you will not be able to customize the color of your moves. So in order to do this, you will have to do it outside of the game. You need to download this tool called Rowshade. Rowshade is essentially shaders for Roblox. So you will be able to download or rather purchase this tool, and it is going to allow you to change the colors not only for strongest battlegrounds, but many other experiences. So as you can see, this is what it does. It essentially makes Roblox look prettier, and it allows you to change some of the colors. So all that you have to do is click download, and like I said, you will have to purchase the pro version, which can cost a bit. But if you want to just try it out for a while, you can download the light version here. Once you have this tool downloaded, you just have to go inside of Roblox, follow the instructions to set it up. You will be able to open the menu as you can see on screen, and then you have to look for this specific line. By changing this line using the sliders below it, you will be able to change the colors, so you can adjust the colors to your own preferences, and it is going to be reflected for you. Keep in mind that other people inside of the game will not be able to see the change, it is only on your screen, but regardless, you will be able to change them through this method. I hope I was able to help you on how to change Genos color in the strongest battlegrounds. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.